This is it, boys. New project, Rustic Restorations. Chargers is about done. A few little final points to do. Unfortunately, it's winter up here. Today it's probably 3 below with the wind chill. Not a good day. Brand new project. Picked this up. Kind of a barn find. They've been laying in this barn for like 10 or 15 years. Decided to auction them off. Husband died. Lady wasn't going to build them, wasn't going to work on them. So we actually bought a pair of them. We got a 50 and a 51 Chevy Panel van. Beautiful cars. Bodies are really straight. Need some fender work on them. Not a big thing. Tires are junk on them. Actually found some brand new S10 frames. Factory S10 frames, brand new. This one here, we put a 4-wheel drive system on. And as we go through it, we're going to walk you through it, kind of show you what we did, how we mounted the body and stuff on it. Tranny's already in. We lined up the motor mounts. Motor mounts are going to be there. We're going to put 350s in these, 350 automatics. The rear end is just a regular S10 rear end. I mean, the frame came brand new. Bolts, front end, axles, all bolted right on. So it's right now, it's just like a running chassis, no motor or anything. Take a good look at it. You can kind of see how good the body is. It's going to need work, granted, but it's a 1950. Like I said, we already got the S10 frame underneath, and we'll show you how we mounted that up. A few little dents and dings in it, but panel vans were commercial vehicles. That's what they used them for. They used them for hauling stuff and that. Interior wise, floors and stuff are sweet in them. I mean, they're like brand new, the floors and stuff. Everybody took care of these things. Lots of work. Lots of work. We're going to start it right from the inside out, complete makeover. These things come out, they're going to look like a brand new van. There's a few parts inside, but as you can see, original wood floors, the wood floors are still good. I mean, they were just, it was one of Chevy's premier deals. Somebody started working on it, kind of gave up on it. It's been laying around for, like I said, 8-10 years in a garage. Husband passed away. They decided to sell them. We were lucky enough to be in the right spot at the right time. So we bought a pair of them. We'll show you the other one when we get that one ready. That one's going to be S10 frame. S10 frames work great on these. Right wheels. Right wheelbase and stuff, right width, no work to do on them. So the other one's actually going to be a 2-wheel drive 350 with a 350 auto tranny in them. Fenders and stuff. The great news about these are you can still buy the fenders. The problem with that is these fenders are so built, I hate to get rid of them. So we're probably going to put a couple little patches on them, pull the fenders and start right from the bodywork right on up. I'm going to strip it down to bare. Glass is all really good on it. Tail lights.
Single.
One's still here. The single one is still here. That's all they had. We're going to mount a bracket on here. Put a little different bumper. We're going to do some mods to this one. We're going to mod it out. We're going to put some little fancier tail lights and stuff on it. As long as it's a total rebuild, we're going to make it a total rebuild. We're going to make these one of a kind. But I'm not going to make them so they're junk either. They'll be a high-class product when we get done with it. The reason here, me and my son always work together, is something we always want to do. It's great for us to spend time together. I love doing it. And bottom line is, when we're done, I'm going to retire in a few years. I don't know if I'll ever retire from doing body work and building cars. But bottom line is, we're going to build each one of these up and put hitches on them. We're going to buy campers, and we're going to start touring and retire, enjoy life. So stay tuned, and we'll let you know progress, and we'll show you the frame system next. Talk to you later, folks.